Properties of matrices. So write down property number 4. Okay, properties of determinants. Okay, properties of determinants. Fourth property: if any two rows or columns. If any two rows or columns of a determinant be interchanged, any rows and any two columns of a determinant be interchanged, the value of determinant is changed in sign only. So this is the very important property number 4. Okay, what this property says: if any row or any two rows or any two columns, if you interchange, like here, if I want to say a matrix is there, determinants, not matrix, topic is determinants, right? You have a determinant, like you have, suppose, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Suppose this determinant value you got D, suppose. Okay, this is one determinant. So this determinant value you got D. So this is the determinant and this value you got D. So here this one is called what? R1. This one is called as R2. This one is called as R3. This one is called as C1. This one is called as C2. This one is called as C3. If I interchange R1 and R2, we write like this. Okay, interchanging like we write. It means that what happens here, this determinant is going to change. R2 will come up, means A21, A22, A23 you get. A11, A12, A13 will get down. A31, A32, A33 will get here. It means what I have done, I had changed only row and two rows. I interchanged. When I interchange two rows, any two rows, the determinant answer will be minus D. You have here plus D, so the answer will be getting minus D. Suppose you have here minus D, then you will get here plus D. For example, tell me one small determinant. Tell me anything. Tell. 1, 4. Okay. So this is the determinant. Suppose if okay, all are same. Okay. Now I should not take same. I'll tell you, that is another property. Okay. So now I took this one. Now if I find the determinant of this, what I get here? 1 into, if I open any side, if I open here 1 plus 1 into, so you know now determinant how to find this row and column closed, right? So what I get here, 2 3 is 6 minus 2. So I get, can I write directly? 6 minus 2, and I can write here minus symbol, this is plus. So minus 2 into, I can close this and this, 1 3 is 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 plus 3 into, I can write here 1 2 is 2 minus 8. So what I am getting answer here, 4 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 6. That is, I get 4 plus 2 minus 18. So 6 minus 18, how much I got? Minus 12 I got, determinant. Right? So just I am giving example to understand. Okay? Understood? Suppose this is what determinant. what I do now, this is a determinant suppose. So if I want to change any row and column, if I change this one here, this one this, or if I change this one here and this one here, or I may change this one here and this one here entirely. Column I change any one if I interchange, or any row I interchange. So the answer will get how much?
Plus 12.
You got here minus 12, na? So the answer will get how much? Plus 12. That is the property. Okay. So if you want to check, you can check. This is, you can change it and you can check. We'll do R3, R2 interchange. R1 I'll keep same, 1, 2, 3. I'll make it here 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and find this determinant. You are definitely going to get 12. Okay, 100% you will get that. So that is what the property says. Is it clear?
Yes.
And one more thing you should know. Cofactor time I did not explain. So now the time came, so I am explaining. When you are finding determinant, so A1 into what you get? A1 into cofactor you will get. A1 into what you get? C11. Right? A1 into C11 plus A21 minus, right? Right, plus A21 into C21. So C will become, make this is positive, negative, right? Plus this is A12. This is what? So C12. This is what? A13, C13. What I want to say here, this result A1, A11, C11, A12, C12, A31, C131, this is nothing but determinant. And what you find here, this one, this is only. How? This A11, this is I write minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into M11, that is only cross. And here A12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 M12 and A13 minus 1 power 1 plus 3 M13 we write. So this is the determinant value. Determinant you will get by this way. So by if you open like this is determinant. But suppose when this is the point I missed out to tell you, if I am finding A11 with another C21 with another factors, not like same, and A12 with C22 and A13 C13. If you have C23. Suppose this actually will multiply with the same cofactors, you get determinant. But different cofactors you multiply, any row of any column or anything, you are going to get answer 0. So no need to calculate that. So this is one short point I missed out in the last lecture. So now I got this. Actually it is not related to property, this is separate lecture. Previously I need to cover this point, I missed out. Understood? Did you understand what I said? Determinant will be what? This one into C11, this one into C22 plus, and this one into that. Instead of this row, other row cofactors are multiplied, then that always will give you 0 answer. You want to check, you can check it. Means you can take this one, cofactors you find of this and multiply with this, you get the answer 0. Okay, that is a part. If you don't know also, there is no problem at all. They don't want to ask it that much. So you can remember this property, it's important property. Copy it. Property number 5, right? Property number 5. If a determinant has any two rows or columns identical, then its value is 0. Next point is, a determinant has any row, two rows or any two columns are identical, then that is 0. Okay, that value is 0. What is the name? Name. हाँ विघ्नेश, नींद आ रहा है आपको? ठीक है सर. See here, what is the meaning of this? Suppose you have a determinant. So A11, okay, I take like this. P, Q, R, A, B, C, P, Q, R. Now see this one. These two rows are identical. So no need to calculate this one, directly this is 0. Okay, so by properties of determinants, suppose you have x, y, z, a, b, c, x, y, z. What is their value? 0. Because here column 1 and column 3 are identical. Column 1, column 3 are identical. Row 1, row 3 are identical. If any determinant whose any rows, any two rows and any two columns are identical, then the determinant value is 0. For example, let us take one example, small example. So you have 1, 1, 1, okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. What is this answer? What will be this answer? Huh? 0 or no? Not 0? Not 0, na? 0 only. How I'll tell you? Yeah, 1, 1, 1, okay. And next property I'll tell you. I can take 2 common here out. So if I take 2 common here, I 1, 1, 1, I get 4, 5, 6. I'll tell you this why I am taking out. I'll tell you. Next property. So when you get 2 rows or 2 columns are identical, that value is 0. So remember one thing, if any 2 rows or any 2 columns of a determinant is identical, then the determinant value you get 0. If you want, you can check it out. 1 into what happened? 1 into 2, 6 are 12, 5 2s are 10. Nice. Minus 1 into 2, 6 are 12, minus 8. Plus 1 into 10 minus 8. How much you got here? 2 minus 4 plus 2, 0. Right? Property. Next property is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Scalar will be multiplied in any one row or column. See here, what is the meaning of this? suppose you have a determinant, okay, D, that is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This value is D, okay. This value is D, means the result is D. Now I multiplied with a K. Like in matrices we used to multiply with K. So what to do? What we used to do? Here if you have A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. If I multiply with any constant, I have to multiply with each element, correct? If this is a matrix, if I multiply with AK, I used to multiply each element, means what I get here, K, 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 K. This is a matrix, but determinants not work like that. If this is D, I multiply with KD, okay? So what I get here, this will be multiplied any one row or any one column. Means this K I can multiply to this row or this row or this row, any one row, not for all rows, or any one column. Okay, so what I get here, KA1, KA2, KA3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is my answer. Means answer will be KD. Understood? For example, give me one determinant. Give. Yes, sir. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, sir, this is the matrix. Now, what is the determinant of this matrix? Determinant of this matrix will be 2 into 2 minus 2. Same तो नहीं बोले ना. Minus 3 into 8 minus 4 plus 1 into 4 minus 2. Correct? What will be the answer? 2 into 0 minus 3 into 8 minus 4 plus 2. Answer will be how much? Minus 10. Plus 10, minus 10. Minus 10. That is what I said. Minus 10. Suppose this same matrix, this determinant, not matrix, I multiplied with 2. If you take matrix, multiply, that result determinant you see. And this determinant will be same you get. But here, if I multiply 2a, so that should be multiplied with only one row in determinant, not in matrices. Understood difference? अब इसको matrix लिया मैंने, समझो. This is matrix I took. I got determinant this. Again I took this as a matrix. Then I multiply with 2 as matrix. And then result if I find determinant. That result if I find, then okay. See here, if I find this one, determinant, so no, not okay. Okay, you have to multiply any one row or column. That only will give same result. All row, all column you should not multiply. So only you have to multiply any one row, any one column. So 2 2s are how much? 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. And you can take 4 1 2. 2 1 2 means other two columns rows I took same, only first row I multiplied. So this determinant you find at home, you will get minus 20, because already this value I have minus 10. So this one I no need to find, directly I will get minus 20. So this is what the property says. Understood? Yeah, right. See, most important property, make it star. On this, Jay asked questions, okay? Most important property, mod of Ka is equal to K power n mod A. No, this is the seventh property, most important property. Mod of Ka is equal to K power n mod A, where n is the order of A, where n is the order of A, order of A. Suppose you have A is equal to determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Start. Should I explain? Continue. See here, you have determinant like this. So what will be determinant value of this? This is something D. Okay, you got D. But if I am here, the difference is Km is matrix with A. Okay, not determinant with A. Okay. See, this is a matrix, suppose. Okay, and determinant of this is, okay, determinant of this, correct one. So determinant of this is D. Okay, determinant of this is D. Now Ka means what? If I multiplied Ka each term, like here Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, Kb1, Kb2, Kb3, Kc1, Kc2, Kc3. The determinant of this will be what I get here, the determinant of Ka, determinant of Ka matrix. This is determinant of A matrix. This is A matrix, and determinant of A matrix is D. This is A matrix. Matrix I am speaking, this is matrix. This is A matrix, determinant of A matrix is D. This is Ka matrix. Ka matrix, and determinant of Ka matrix will be what you get? K power? K power n into determinant of A. N means what here? 3, right? Yeah, you get how much here? K cube determinant of A you will get. Why? Why? Because you can take K common from first row. So when you take common once, you will get 1K from here. When I am using determinant this one, 1K should come out. Because I can take indeterminate. Suppose if this is a determinant, from determinant I can take common any one row or any one column, not all. So 1K will come out. So then I get A1, A2, A3, BK1, BK2, BK3, okay, CK1, what I did, KB1, KB2, KB3, right? C1K, KC2, KC3. Means what? Just I took only K here out. Next time I will take here K out. So what I get here? K square. Then A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Next C1, KC1, KC2, KC3. Next again I will take common K cube, and this will get. The determinant is D. That is the reason the formula is mod Ka is equal to K power n mod A, and where n indicates what? Order of the matrix. If this is 3 by 3 matrix, I get K power 3 mod determinant of A. This is most important, very important. Suppose you have A is equal to, suppose A is equal to, you have A1, A2, B1, B2. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so determinant of Ka will be how much? K square determinant A. Okay, K square determinant A. Determinant of Ka is equal to K square determinant A. Understand? It's important. See here, this is a JEE question. Let A be a matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 3. Is a scalar matrix. Okay. Mod 3A is equal to 108. A square is equal to how much? How to do? Yes? Okay, let's see. She said as mod 3A is equal to 108, right? According to the formula is what? 3, because this is 2 by 2 matrix, right? So K square, K power n. So 3 square mod A is equal to 108. You are right. So 3 square value 9. 9 I will send here. Mod A is equal to 108 divided by 9. So mod A is equal to how much? 12, correct? But what is they said? A, that is 1, 2, 0, 3 is a which matrix? Scalar matrix. Can you tell me what is scalar matrix, how it will be? How it will be scalar matrix? You don't see. Tell. Scalar matrix how? Scalar matrix कैसा होता है? Today test. Scalar matrix. Aditya. What Shruti? Scalar matrix, sir. सार्थ 3 धनुर्धर है, बहुत बेशक टैलेंटेड है. बोलो विघ्नेश, पढ़ा नहीं ना? स्केलर क्या होता है सर? समथिंग 0, 0. डायगोनल शुड बी सेम ना? Diagonal should be a constant. Diagonal should be constant and remain things will be 0. This is scalar. You know? Is this a scalar? Tell na. Scalar or no? Don't know. What? Scalar क्या है? Scalar matrix means what? Diagonal elements are same. Rest all are zeros. Rest all are zeros and diagonal are same, not 1. If it is 1, what happens? Identity, right? So this is correct only, sir. Tell me now. Scalar. Acha, this is equal to how much I have to write? This determinant how much I am getting? What is the determinant of this matrix? Lambda square. Lambda square is equal to how much? 12. Lambda will be equal to how much? Under root of 12. So lambda will be how much? 2 root 3. Plus or minus, na? Plus or minus, right? Okay, lambda you got. See, there is not A is equal to A into, okay? A into this one is a scalar matrix. So A into means here, A I can take here, I can take A here, A, B, C, D. A into, that is mistake. A into 1, 2, 3. If it is equal, then it is not a scalar. Right, it is into must be. Okay, by mistake I wrote. So this will be A into some matrix. So A, B, C, D into 1, 2, 0, 3. That is equal to scalar. That is lambda 0 lambda. Now if you multiply this, what I get here? Multiply na? A. Sure. So here you get. Chalo sir. A plus 0. Tell me fast now, sir. 2A plus 3B. Correct? C. 2C plus 3D is equal to lambda 0, 0, lambda. Correct? So I can equate these two here with these two. So A is equal to what here? A is equal to lambda. C is equal to 0. 2A plus 3B is equal to 0. 2C plus 3D is equal to lambda. C0 put here. C0 put here. So 3D is equal to lambda. D is equal to what here? Lambda by 3. So D you got. A you got. C you got. B you should get, right? B should be what here? 2 lambda. B always you get 0, scalar means. Okay, fine. Minus 2 lambda by 3, right? Lambda if I put here, I get as B is equal to minus 2 lambda upon 3. Now lambda value you know already. Put the lambda value in that. So you will get the required matrix. A matrix you will get. You get A matrix. After that what you have to get? A square. So A is not a scalar. A matrix into this one is a scalar. So see the question, I repeat again. Let A be a matrix. A into this matrix is a scalar. Mod 3A is 108. A square is equal to how much? So mod A 38 we took mod A value got 12. Then A we took A, B, C, D and we multiplied with this matrix. And this result is a scalar. Scalar means you can take lambda or k anything. And you multiplied this, you got this. And then equalated, okay, you are equalated. A is equal to lambda, these values you got. आपने जब इक्वलेट किया a वैल्यू लैम्डा होगा, this is 0, this is 0, this is c is equal to 0. Already you have lambda value, lambda square. Actually this is okay. They are not given mod A. Mod A you got 12, right? Okay. But wait. This determinant should be 12, na? Mod A is 12, okay. So AD minus BC will be, no. One thing I did something mistake. Mod A is 12, correct. This value is also correct. Equalated, correct only, na? Right, no problem. Mod A is equal to 12. And lambda how I got? Lambda square 12, why I should, this is wrong I think. Lambda I took wrong. Lambda square is the determinant of this. Okay, determinant of this is not 12. Okay, actually before I solved, so I did the mistake. What I took A matrix? A matrix I took A, B, C, D. And determinant of this matrix will be what? AD minus BC. Actually here A matrix we took, let us take, I think actually because of writing question mistake, I am explaining twice, thrice. So A matrix, okay sir. A matrix is ABCD, correct? So determinant of A is AD minus BC. A is what? Lambda. D is what? Lambda by 3. Minus. B is what? Minus 2 lambda by 3. C is what? 0. So what I am getting? Lambda square by 3. This is mod A I got. But mod A, determinant of A. So what is determinant of A actually? 12. 12 is equal to how much? Lambda square. So 36 is equal to how much? Lambda square. Lambda is equal to how much? Plus or minus 6. So what is this lambda? This will be matrix 6 0 0 6 or minus 6 0 0 minus 6 is the A value. But I have to get what? A square. So you can do A. You got A. It means you can do the A square. What happened? Okay, we got scalar matrix now. What do you have to find? A square now. Why I have find scalar matrix now? Sorry. Yeah. Lambda equal to 6, you substitute here. A, B, C, D. So A is equal to 6. C is equal to 0. B is equal to minus 2 into 6 by 3. This is minus 4. And D is equal to how much? 6 by 3, 2. So A matrix will be 6 minus 4, 0, 2. And you have to find the square of this. Actually, this is A matrix. Actually, I am finding always lambda. No, it's a scalar, right? He did not ask about lambda. I think maybe he asked lambda square. Maybe this is. I'll check it. Maybe they asked lambda square or anything. Okay, if it is A matrix, you got A matrix, the square you can do. If you have this option, okay. If you don't have this option, then we go for minus 6. We'll substitute A minus 6. Then you substitute here. Which option is correct? That we will do. Understood, no? Confused? Right.